Hi everybody, here's the latest installment of Autodoc's video tutorials on replacing car parts. Turn subtitles on before you start watching this video. Thanks. Don't miss our new informative videos. Remember to click subscribe button and turn notifications on. We post new videos every week. Follow the links in the description below to our online shop where you can buy the spare parts shown. Are you interested in this product? All links can be found in the description. Thank you for watching our video tutorials. If you enjoyed watching, click thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Follow our social media pages. We're on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links are in the description.